Welcome back, guys. About to go on a test drive in a 1970 Chevelle. This is a real SS car, Canadian car as well. We have paperwork. 396, not the original motor, not matching number, not date code correct. 4-speed car. Really good paint job on it. Nice interior. And like I said, any flaws that I see, I'm gonna point out. That's why I make these videos. Up here at Maple Motors, we update the website every Monday with new inventory. Pretty much every week we get about 10 cars. And I post videos pretty much daily as long as the weather lets me. So hit that subscribe button. Also hit like and share. We're gonna be taking this thing down the road. Oh yeah. Did I mention we have financing and shipping available? That's all at maplemotors.com, along with 100 detailed pictures. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior, check everything out. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Get her started up here. Showing 31,000 miles. I cannot stand behind that on the dash. The tack is not coming up. Wipers are not working. Headlights do work on this one. I did the walk around and check that out. Defog, I doubt that works. Radio faces in the office. Blower motor is not cutting on here. Oil pressure is coming up and working. Give her a little time on that temp gauge and we'll watch it and check it out. Go ahead and we'll try that horn out and see if it works. You ready? I think I seen something. No, not working. That says seats. No, it says Sears. Hey, you know what the Sears switch is? They don't know. All right, looking around the interior, checking it out. This is the first time I've been in this ride. Pretty much learn everything about the cars with you because we get so many different cars in throughout the week. I check them all out, make a video of them, tell you what's wrong. That way you know what you're buying. That's all we do here is buy and sell. And that's why I'm here to make these videos. It's about that time. Let's hit the road. All right, so we're gonna take off down the road. Anything that I see, I will let you know. Oh, he said paperwork's in the glove box. Let's see what we got here before we take off. Make sure my hands ain't dirty. This thing's pearly white. Vintage Vehicle Services. Requested information about your 70 Chevelle SS 396. This is all going to be taken pictures of and put on our website. But for now, just kind of let you glance, get some paperwork on the car, and we will have pictures of it on maplemotors.com for further inspection. Okay, I will put this back in the glove box, and I see the face of the radio in there now, in the case. And we're gonna hit the road. What in the world? I don't want to bend it all up, but I don't want to. There we go. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Clutch is letting out about halfway. Feels pretty good where it's coming out to. Let's see what we got here. Open road's what we got. I like it. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. Steering wheel is not completely centered up, and we are pulling to the left a little bit. You see that? How about the steering though? As soon as I turn, it turns. Feels pretty tight. Just need to center up the steering wheel. Every gear's felt pretty good. Not too low geared. Shouldn't have no issues jumping up on the bypass or interstate if you need to. Let's check the brakes out. Oh yeah, brakes are stopping pretty good. chirp. Does not feel bad going down the road. Turn signals are popping up on the dash, but I think we got a right rear tail light that is messed up on us. We'll have to stop and get us a bulb on this test drive. Okay guys, I'm gonna pull in this parking lot here. We're gonna go ahead and get some outside shots of this ride. I'm also gonna drive over with a camera and light up the undercarriage so you can see everything. If you wanna see what I use to make these videos, look below in the description. I have everything listed. Let's get these shots. Okay, been sitting here idling. I actually talked for about 20 minutes on the phone, cut the car off for a second and cut her back on. Been sitting here in the parking lot for a second, getting all these shots done, undercarriage, drive-bys, the pole that I use. People think I'm using a drone. I don't use a drone. I have in the past. Somebody yelled at me about it on here, said it was like legal or something. So I just never used the drone again. Try to keep myself out of trouble, you know, sort of. All right, so we're heading back to the car lot now, and everything's so far so good. Just got a few things on the inside that need to be repaired. Running and driving wise, it's great. Car's staying cool. Temperature gauge is not working. Gonna need a temperature gauge. I'd like a temperature gauge in any car that I drive. That way I know what my motor's running, especially in a classic. Those gauges there look pretty old. I don't even think I trust the oil pressure gauge because it was showing 70 at the lot. Now it's showing like 65. I'd have to just get new ones. Those look very old there. Suspension wise on this one, I'd give it a 6 out of 10. It's not very bumpy. Feels moderately good, you know. This car here is very easy to drive. the exhaust is rattling against the frame when you get into it. Taking a ride here. Our speed bump has melted down when the ice came through, so it's not very bumpy here anymore. Y'all always talked about that. What are you gonna do when the city paves it over? Well, they didn't have to. It just put about 2 inches of ice on the ground and disappeared. Needs a few things buttoned up on the dash, as you can see. Okay, let's head on back to the car lot. We've made it around the block. I appreciate you riding with me. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every day. Just depends on the weather, really. And if you liked it, hit that like button and share this video. That helps me out more than anything. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys. If you want any more information on this ride or any ride on the lot, go on over to maplemotors.com. I have close to 100 detailed pictures. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available. We also have financing and shipping available, but you got to go to maplemotors.com. That's my main website. We are all family, been here 38 years, and every Monday we update with new cars. I want to thank you for watching. I've got plenty to do this week. They're calling for rain later on, so tomorrow I'm going to hit a home run and try to knock out 5 test drives. We'll see what I can do. That's a lot in one day, really. It takes a little while to make these videos, so. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.